Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back. Root Beer here with question number 16 on our Fermat paper. 6 identical rectangles with height h and width w are arranged as shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Story checks out. Line segment PQ intersects the vertical side of one rectangle at x and the horizontal side of another rectangle at z. If right angle XYZ, so this nice little triangle in here, has YZ equal to 2XY, then H over W is. So we want to know the ratio of the sides of the rectangles. We can't actually get a concrete values for either H or W, but we can figure out their ratio. Okay, so what can we do? Well, notice that we've got 3 rectangles out there, and we're 4 rectangles high. I can draw a better version of this. I can also draw it a bit more centralized. Okay, so there we go. Now PQ is drawn here. Now, if you can introduce coordinates to this if you want to. I don't think it's necessary. But notice that P starts out. This is H. This should be H. P starts out 1, 2, 3, 4 H's high. So to get from P up here to Q, we go down by 4H and over by 3 widths. Okay? So you could sort of think of this as a rise over run. So the slope of PQ is going to be the rise, which is minus 4 over H, over run. So we get minus 4 over 3 H over W. And what is it that we're looking for? Well, H over W. So if only there were a way to figure out the slope of PQ numerically. Well, that's where the information about X, Y, and Z comes in. Because we'll be able to figure out the slope of PQ from there, because the slope doesn't change this ratio of rise over run. So the slope is also negative XY over the run, getting from X to Z, which are both on the line, which is YZ. But what did they tell us a moment ago? They told us YZ is twice XY. Dividing through by XY, whatever it is, it'll just nicely divide. We get the slope of PQ is negative 1/2. So negative 1/2 is negative 4 over 3 times the ratio we want. Well, multiply both sides by 3. Divide both sides by negative 4. These minus signs will cancel out. And we'll just be left with H over W, which is exactly what we want. So 3/8, I think I spied that somewhere. There it is. It's C. And there we go. So that's going to wrap up question 16 for us. Up next, of course, question number 17. If you'd like to stay up to date and know when I post a new video for a new contest, feel free to subscribe. That's a great way to be kept up to date. If you want to show support, feel free to leave an encouraging comment or throw a like on the video. If you have other ways of doing questions, I'm more than happy to see them. I always like learning new ways to do things. And if you don't want to do any of that, that's cool too. But either way, I will see you for question number 17 next time. Take care.